At number 2, we have the Z MGKiss Extra Large Travel Backpack. The Z MGKiss Extra Large Travel Backpack stands out for its impressive 50-liter capacity, making it an excellent choice for extended trips. I found the backpack to be spacious enough to accommodate a 17.3-inch laptop in its dedicated compartment, along with ample room for clothes, accessories, and travel essentials. The TSA-friendly design is a notable feature, allowing for easy passage through airport security checkpoints. One of the backpack's strengths is its organization. It boasts multiple compartments and pockets, which help keep items neatly arranged and easily accessible. The anti-theft features, including hidden zippers and RFID blocking pockets, provide peace of mind when traveling in crowded areas. Comfort-wise, the backpack performs well. The padded shoulder straps and back panel distribute weight evenly, reducing strain during long periods of wear. The addition of a USB charging port is convenient for keeping devices powered on the go. Durability is another strong point, with the backpack constructed from water-resistant materials to protect contents from light rain or spills. The heavy-duty design suggests it can withstand the rigors of frequent travel.